I have been dreaming about adding a pergola to the back of my house, and we found the perfect one. So this is where we started. It was just grass, and then we added pea gravel and pavers to make a patio. We got the Mirador aluminum 10 by 13 pergola from Amazon. It came in 3 different boxes, so I just laid everything out in 3 different sections. Not only was the pergola really easy to put together, it came with this box that had all of the hardware included. I have a lot of experience putting things together. However, I am blown away by how organized and easy this pergola was to build. The instructions were very clear and concise, and I would say I did about 75% of this by myself, and then had my husband jump in to help when we needed a second set of hands. Start to finish, it took us probably about 3 to 3.5 hours, which was so nice after spending so much time on the pea gravel patio. I love the modern look of it. What I really like most is the weatherproof double-layered aluminum louver design. The louvers are the slats that go across the top. Those are going to open and close, which is so dang cool because you can block out the sun completely. But the really cool part about it, because they're double layered aluminum, that means that they're sound dampening and heat blocking. Another feature that I really liked was that it has an integrated water drainage feature, meaning that the water whisks away through the side poles and you don't have to deal with water spilling over onto your patio. We're so excited to get some furniture out here and start enjoying this new space. A link to this will be available in my bio if you want to check it out.